So you want to make a butterscotch oatmeal cookie? Well, let's get started. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Combine flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon in a small bowl. Beat butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and eggs in a large mixer bowl. Gradually beat in flour mixture. Stir in oats and butterscotch morsels. I made a pan cookie which I baked for 25 minutes, but if you're making individual cookies, drop rounded spoonfuls of cookie dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. For individual cookies, bake 7 to 8 minutes for chewy cookies and 9 to 10 minutes for crisp cookies. Enjoy!